All right, Coach, what are your thoughts following day one?
Pretty exciting. Obviously we've got a lot of work to do, but I thought the energy was great. The coaches were driving it, players were into it. We've got a lot of young players, and that shows. You can see that when we're running around, guys are trying to figure out where to go, trying to figure out what to do. But I thought the tempo was really good. I thought the effort was good. We'll watch the film and see what kind of mistakes we made and what needs to get right. But in general, for a first day, I thought we're on the right track. But obviously we're trying to see who's going to play where and how everybody fits is just a challenge. It takes time to kind of sort out. And so we're going to get as many reps as we can. And so at the end, we kind of had that young guy period, just give those guys a chance to get a little extra work, give us a chance to coach them a little bit and see what they can do. And so we're going to keep doing that so that everyone's getting a chance to get coached and everyone's getting a chance to practice and play and get reps. And hopefully one of those young guys will catch our eye and push into the lineup somewhere or into the mix.
What kind of goals do you set for the first few days of practice?
The biggest thing is just finding our tempo and our intensity in the practice environment and getting everybody on the same page with kind of the organization and the structure. In this situation right here, we actually added almost 50% of our football team, in the last month. And so all these newcomers, those are the guys that have to figure out how we practice, what the expectations are, the buzzwords that we use, what they mean, where they're going. So now we're trying to hustle them off the field so they can get to dinner. But it's always a learning process.
How's the football comprehension been going?
I would say from today, I think from the guys that were here in the spring, actually pretty good. I think the young guys they're spinning. There's no way that when you combine the speed of the college football with the speed of how we play, those young guys are really swimming. Their heads are about to explode. But we'll calm them down tonight and get them on track, and we'll be okay. So I'm excited.
So, Coach Andrew Pang of Scout.com, your thoughts so far on the quarterback play today? When I was able to see their plays, I saw some really good deep shots, some plays that obviously could have been improved.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that quarterback position is going to be a battle. It's going to go all through camp, and I would imagine into the early part of the season a little bit as guys compete for that thing. We've got 6 guys in camp. They all bring something to the table. So we're trying to find out which one can be the most accurate, be the best leader, and execute at the highest level. I mean, that's really what it comes down to.
Seemed like you were surveying a lot today, kind of watching everybody. Anybody catch your eye more than others?
No, I mean, not particularly. I think I'm definitely excited about some of the young guys. I thought some of the young wide receivers did some good stuff. Mm-hmm. And in my mind, it's exciting to see some of the guys come back who have been injured. When I think about, Cam and Foley, those guys are coming back from injuries that knocked them out for a big chunk of time. It's kind of exciting to see them run around and get to play again. I think our team's in good shape. I think Coach Uribe and the staff did a great job. But with the heat that we're going to play in over the next week of practice and the heat that we're going to play in the first month of the season, we got to be able to run all day. And I hope it gets hotter.
Anything else for Coach Brennan?
I got one for you. How do you think your team performed physically out there today?
I thought it was good. I thought they're in shape. I think when you're not in shoulder pads or any of that, you can't have any real gauge for the physicality of it. I don't think. But I thought in terms of handling the volume, I didn't see. I thought our tempo was much better than it was in the spring when guys were still kind of freaking out and trying to learn it. And then when and then it slows down a little bit when the young guys get in there because they're just still processing. They're just still trying to figure out, if there's error or feathers in the football.
Do you think your team offense responded well to the up-tempo today?
Yeah, I thought it was a good picture. I'm encouraged by that. I think it can be faster.
Okay, that'll do it for today, Coach.
All right, Spartan up. Let's go.